Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss what is Power BI interface and how it does work. Okay, so this was the main interface of your Power BI desktop. Okay, and it is divided into four parts. Okay, so this was the ribbon. Okay, and this is the pen, filter pen, visualization pen, data pen, and here we have the view. Okay, these three are views, and here we have lower segment. Okay, where you have your sheets, pages. Okay, and you can add or delete pages from this lower segment. Okay, so let's see one by one each of the part of Power BI. Okay, so let's just start with ribbon. Okay, in ribbon, first is our home tab. Okay, in this home tab, the very main part is this data. Okay, here you have different options to source your data from different databases. Okay, so here you can see, by just clicking on this get data, you can see the different sources. If you want to see all of the sources, just click on this more button and it will take a few seconds, and you can see here the different data sources from where you can get your data. Okay, so there are so many different sources. It's approximately 95 different sources from where you can get the data. Okay, in Power BI. So here you have XML, JSON file, folders, PDF, and MySQL server database, and there's IBM database, Azure, Oracle. There are so many data sources, Google Analytics, Salesforce reports. Okay, so these were the different sources from where you can get your data. Okay, and here you have this transform data, but by using this you can open your Power Query. If you just click here, it will get you to the Power Query, and where you can manipulate your data, add, remove columns. Okay, remove null values. Basically the data cleaning part is performed in Power Query, and you can load you can load your data to Power Query by using this transform data. Okay, here you have text box, more visuals, quick measures. Quick measure is used to create customized columns quickly. Okay, or DEX functions. Okay, so our next tab is this insert tab here, which can import and insert items from different files of different sources. Okay, now the next is the modeling. Okay, so next tab is modeling, mainly used when you work on the model building. Okay, so model building means you are trying to create snowflake schema, star schema, and the architectural model kind of stuff. Then we are using this modeling. Okay, and in view you can customize the view or layout of your canvas. Okay, so if you click on actual size, it will come into the actual size of your canvas. If you just click on this fit to page, then it will come to this original size. Okay, and if the last is this home tab, here you have training videos, documentations, guided learner. Okay, and so many resources where you can learn Power BI. Okay, and here one more important thing is, here the Power BI by default provide one example data set. Okay, so just select example data set and just click on this load sample data. Okay, so basically our data is already loaded here. Okay, so just once again loads data. Okay, so it will come as financials too, because we already have this financials data here. Okay, so here you can see this. Just right click on this arrow and you have all the columns present in our data set. Okay, so these were the column names. Okay, and this sigma sign denotes it as a numerical column. This calendar sign denote it as a date time column, and if you click on this arrow, you can see here the hierarchical structure is provided for year, quarter, month, and day. Okay, and date time column. Okay, and the columns where there is no symbol present, these kind of columns are the categorical columns. Okay, so next let's see this view part. Okay, here we have three kind of view. The report view, this is the report view in which we have our canvas and we can visualize our data. Okay, in data view. Okay, so next is our data view. In our data view, where you can use your data whatever data that you have imported, you majorly perform data cleaning over here. Okay, so this is your data set. You can check the data type. Okay, you can check the format, name of the column, data type, or okay, so basically you are doing data cleaning here. Okay, next and the last is this model view. Okay, so in model view, when you have more than one table, in that case you can use this model view. Okay, for example, here we have our two tables, but basically these two tables are the same. If you just drag and drop any column here, then it will create the relationship between each other. Okay, So here you can see that if this star sign is here, then it will denote the many-to-many relationship between the data set. Okay, so basically these both data are same, that's why it will create the many-to-many relationship between both the tables. Okay, so here is our lower segment. Okay, if you click on this plus sign, you can add the layout. Okay, if you click here, you can create a pages. Okay, and if you just click on this cross sign, it will delete your page. Okay, and the last part of our Power BI interface is the 3 pens which we have here. Okay, so here we have filter pane, visualization pane, and data pen. Okay, so we already discussed about data pen, so let's start with the visualization pen. Okay, so in visualization pen, where you get the option to create any kind of charts. As you can see here, there are so many charts present. Okay, so here you have the options to choose the different kind of charts and create visuals which we discussed in our further video, what all charts we have here and what is the use of the charts. Okay, and in this filter pen, okay, which provide a flexibility to apply filter on the specific chart or page. Okay, so for that we use this filter pen. Okay, so that's all for this video. These were the 4 different parts of Power BI desktop. I hope you will enjoy this session. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.